It's time for an editing chair upgrade. This has been my trusty chair for about 15 years. It's time for an upgrade. What have I gone for? This big brown box is an Ikea Matchspel in white. So do you want to see me build this? Then roll the intro and stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to IoT X's on Tech. So this basic chair has been my editing chair, my presenting chair for, well, I've owned it for about 15 years, say, and it's time for an upgrade because somebody went to sit on my chair and they didn't realize it had turned and they sat on the arm and now it kind of like talks. It's splitty but there. So, you know, it's done me good for all these years, for about 15 years. So yeah, it's time for an upgrade. I've got the Matchspel, kind of like gamery chair, all in white to match my peripherals, my editing desk, my presenting background. So white PC, white gaming mouse, white mouse and white keyboard and some other accessories I've got over there. So today we're going to build this together. I'm going to unbox it and of course we're going to build it together and see how long it takes. So let's put you into a different position and you can see what's in the box. So here we are, crouched on the floor. So obviously it says no knives. I always prefer to use a pair of scissors anyway. I know they say you shouldn't cut towards you, but no any scissors. Not as if it's a jerry rig everything knife, is it? Ooh. Interesting shaped box as well on this one. And I was very lucky with this one. I went to my local Ikea store, which is in Cardiff. Trips around the store, managed to find it on display, the black one. So I sat down like, yeah, it's nice. The arm's in the right place to go underneath the desk, my editing desk over there. Went down aisle 19, space number 12, nothing there. I was like, oh my God. I've like come all the way across Cardiff and they haven't even got any in stock. But I crouched down underneath the bar, looked underneath, it was right at the back, the very last one. Stupid me, I didn't check to see if they had any in stock. Oh. So it's not that white. Looking at this. There's your padded base. It's kind of like a creamy colour. But hey, I don't mind. All the safety labels underneath. Instructions. There's the fabric back. Yeah, it doesn't look like that white, does it? It looks more cream, but it doesn't matter. Does not matter. Lots of plastic, which I'm surprised at, really. For saying that, though. I guess it protects everything. Height adjustable arms. And they also go forwards and backwards, which would be important for me when I'm at my desk. I don't know if you can see in the box that well, but height adjustable. Well, I say it's height adjustable. It does, yeah. Slides up and down in there. Interesting. Wow, pretty big bolts with the blue Loctite stuff on the end of them, so they won't come undone. Your wheels, now I've read some reviews on the wheels that they're not that great on carpet. Does it matter though? Oh, there's your height adjustable gas tube. More cardboard. There's your base. Yep, metal base. Okay. There's the base to the chair. And then the blue back support. Okay, so I'll get rid of this and then we'll start building. Okay, so I've unpacked most of this, got rid of the box. Just need to open the spine. Oh, there we go. That's easy. If you're wondering what chair this is my daily work chair. It's a bit of a mess now these days. The rubber on the arms have split. So I've done the usual, put turkey tape on the arms, or duct tape. I call it turkey tape. So let's see how all this goes together. I think that's going to go in there, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Open the wheels. Oh, you can't really see what I'm doing. Dang. Let me adjust you again. Okay, so I've unpacked that, put the piston in the middle. I'm assuming that's where it goes. You know, being a tech tube, you don't really read the instructions, do you? But I guess on this occasion we do have to. This office chair is tested for office use. This one, safety castors. Our chairs have safety castors that break automatically when no one's sitting in the chair, so it won't roll away. Ah, could that be why people are saying so it'll only move when you're sat on it then? So you can see that little white thing in the middle? Let me turn the fan off because it's hot in here. So these are quite hard to turn, but you can see there's... So I guess when there's pressure on it, it'll push that little white thing out, and then you'll be able to turn the wheels. So that's why people are saying they wasn't any good on carpet, because it's got safety casters. We'll have to wait and see them, won't we, once I built it. Okay, so we've got our 5 wheels out. Let's open all these. Thankfully it comes with a tool. I wonder if I could use a drill. So at least it comes with a hex tool, which is good. I'm going to use a power tool, because I'm going to do a lot of screwing with this chair. Okay, so that's a bit of a better angle, isn't it? You can see me and the floor. So I've got the trusted Stanley bit set. Matchspel, chair in white. So first things first, put the wheels in. Need my extension bit. Here's my magnetic extension bit. Ow! Tight. I think I better turn down the torque on that. We'll go with the 16. Okay, so the arms are next, but this height adjuster and back tilt is kind of in the way, but let's give it a go. Noticed as well that the back piece has got zipper on it, so I guess you could take it off and wash it. So that's handy. Now let's try it out. It is a bit stiff on the carpet. Arms up, down, slide back, slide forward. Height. Oh, it'll go. What? Ooh, wow. That's tall. Headrest. Yes. How's it go? Nice. What about the tilt? Oh, that's locked. Oh. Oh, there we go. And does it lock? Yes, it does. I've noticed that the bottom also tilts slightly as you're going back. Uh-oh. Well, there you go. There we go, and you can lock it in position. So let's give you a bit of a close-up of these. Fully up, feet are slightly off the ground. Going down, arms up, forward, backwards. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 clicks. Okay, and then you pull it out to unlock it. See when we move up the back and the base. Push it into lock. It's locked now. Pull it out to unlock. You gotta rock back and then it'll come back. There we go, that's locked in position. Same for this arm. And the stylish back. Yay. And then the wheels, yes, I can see what people have said about the wheels. They are quite non-mobile, should we say. Let me show you the headrest. So here's the headrest. Quite low. Tilt it up a bit. How many clicks we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 clicks. Same as the arms then in a way. Yeah, 6 clicks on the arms. So there we go. Here's my new presenting chair. What do you think? Nice, huh? So this is going to be my new presenting chair. So you'll see this in every episode now going forward. This will be replacing that old black chair that's being kicked to the side at the moment. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't hit that thumbs down twice, thanks very much. If you haven't done so already, then please hit that subscribe button. If you want to purchase this chair, and obviously I'll leave a link in the description below. Don't forget to pick the right store and check stock before you go. Make sure they've got some in stock, because I was quite lucky to get this one. It was the last one right at the back of the rack. So thanks very much once again for watching IoT Ixes on Tech, and I'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.